So take a look at this three-dimensional level surface here. This says, given a function f of x, y, z and a number c in the range of f, a level surface of a function of three variables is defined to be the set of points satisfying the equation f of x, y, z equals c. So notice here in this problem below, it says find the level surface for wxy equaling, or wxyz equaling x squared plus y squared plus z squared, and c is equal to 9. So again, this is a four-dimensional function that we're dealing with here. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at a level surface in R3. So again, we lose a dimension. Like before in the previous problem, we had this three-dimensional sphere here, and it was only the upper sphere. And we were looking at the level curves in 2 dimensions, so it was going from 3 to 2. This is going from 4 dimensions to 3 dimensions. And this is going to give us a, let's just draw the equation for this. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals 9. That's what we're actually going to be looking at here. And that's what we're actually going to graph here. So this is going to be the level surface from that 4-dimensional function. So here's my crappy surface. So here it is, and you can tell it's kind of a sphere here. So when I look at this is what I end up with. So remember, this is coming from 4 dimensions into 3. So I just kind of want to give you an example of what this could resemble. So take a look at this. This is something I graphed on the grapher there. And I just kind of wanted to use different colors to talk about maybe a heat source here. So if you think about this 4-dimensional function here, I could be talking about as I get closer to the center, you notice it's getting more red. So that means it's getting hotter. And as I go out, it's cooling down. So each of these level surfaces here are that 3-dimensional level curve. But when I put them all together and the color in there, that color is my 4th dimension. Another thing we can think of with 4 dimensions is the idea of density with solids. So that's another thing that you see in physics. So anyways, just kind of gives us a visual of what we could be seeing with that level curve of x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals 9.